Hello again, welcome to the Mastercam in a Minute course. In that lecture, we're going to focus on how can we create line by using the C plane and Z position approach. So we are working on the top view. It's a C plane. I'm going to turn to 3D to 2D, and then I can click Z position here. This is 25. After that, I can create my line starting from here, and it can be 50 millimeter. After that, we can use the parallel line here. This is can be 25, and then we can use the divide options, and then we can easily be able to get that kind of line here. Okay, and there is another options here. I can turn to C plane right, and then I can click here, and then I can write 25. That point I can click, that's midpoint, that's going to be projected here. After that, I can change my Z position again, and I can click here again. So after that, we can turn to top view, of course. So when I am turned to right view, it can be minus 25, and line we can click here, and then we can turn to minus 50, and we can click here again. After that, we can turn to actually C axis, contour toolpath, and then we can recalculate it. After that, we can simulate our toolpath. Okay, this is actually C axis approach here.